Meaning of doting.
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 Doting. Doting is an adjective that describes excessive fondness or love, often to the point of being overindulgent. The result of doting behavior is that the person who is being doted upon may become spoiled or overly dependent on the affection and attention they receive. This can lead to problems with social and emotional development, as they may struggle to form healthy relationships outside of their doting caregiver. It's important to show love and affection to those we care about, but it's equally important to provide them with space to grow and develop independence.